only live inside the water or they live both on land as well as water? Let's see for that. So now, if I consider this earth, here if I zoom in, so you can see this land, right? So there are many animals roaming around. You can see many different species which are living together here, right? Yes, from the small mice to the giant elephant, you can see all the animals are living on this land. Now, if I go deep inside this ocean, now here you can see it's such a beautiful view, right? Here you can see there are many different shaped fishes which is very cute, and dolphins, whales. So there are many different species. Then what about the snake, crocodiles, frog, tortoise, salamander? Do they live only on land or water? Not exactly actually, because they live both on land as well as water. So now I can classify this based on the living nature. How? So the animals which live on land is called as land animals, and the animals which live on water or inside the water is called as water animals, and the animals which live both on water or inside the water and on the land is called as amphibians. Okay, so likewise we can classify the animals based on the living nature. And then, as I told previously, different animals will eat different kinds of food, right? Now let us classify them based on the food they eat. See, the animals which eat the products of plants such as grass, leaf, etc. are called as herbivorous. For example, you can take rabbit, right? Yeah. And similarly, the animals which eat flesh or egg and other products of animals are called carnivorous. For example, tiger, lion, you can tell. And the animals which eat the product of both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Okay, for example, you can consider humans, yes, and bear, right? Even dog also. Okay, so likewise there are many different examples. So likewise we can classify the animals based on the different kinds of food they eat. So in the next class, let's see the uses of animals.